Hello everyone, welcome back to another Wheelhouse video. Today I'm going to be going over the gauge tools. This is really great for rail operators that are looking to get gauge table information, as well as get precise measurements for loading their rail car. So in order to use this area, the first thing you're going to do is enter in a car mark and car number. And then you can hit show gauge table, and your gauge table information will populate just to the right of the screen here. You can also export with the button in the top right of the gauge information if you wish to get this information outside of Wheelhouse. You can also use things like the outage level inch. So if I want to see what 2.6 would be, I can also see what the outage volume would be based off the gauge table information we have. We automatically scrape the web for the most up-to-date information, so you can be rest assured that this gauge table is up to date. Just below that, you also have the loading calculator. Now this will be a bit specific to your site, but this is what you're going to use to see what the optimal load would be for the car. So you can fill in things like product information, safety factor percentage or inch, liquid temperature, as well as the target temp season that you're in. It will populate the tables which you see just below in terms of the outage level inch, gross load volume, net load volume, and load weight. And then just down below, in terms of what you actually end up loading on the rail car, you can enter in the values accordingly for the different fields that you see just below there. And then you'll confirm your load at the bottom. At this point as an operator, you'll be complete, and this car will actually be available for the rail schedulers to bill out of the system. So again, just as a quick summary, for a rail operator, it's really great for getting up-to-date, accurate gauge table information for your rail cars. The loading calculator will help you optimize your load. And then the actual loading is for what ended up on the car so that you can make this car available for schedulers to bill out of the system.